Have you ever wondered what's inside one of these chargers for RC drone batteries? We have two 220 microfarad 25 volt 105 degrees C capacitors, one 47 microfarad 25 volt 105 degrees C capacitor, one inductor, L24C02B, SI4606, two 24-ohm 1% high tolerance resistors, and a few random diodes and transistors. The power on this one is supplied by an external power supply, 9 to 16 volts, and it connects to 2S and 3S balance leads. And that's how this one works. Check in the description for all the data sheets and a full video.